Hi, Shehnaz Soni here. Radical self-acceptance has been a lesson for me for the year of 2026. Today is February 20th, 2026, a major astrological day where the convergence are occurring on the planet. It has never occurred in our lifetime. And every single thing is coming to the surface, which is absolutely amazing. Anything that you're holding back, any kind of manifestation that you haven't had it for years, is all on the table. And that to me is the most exciting time for all of us to truly accept yourself for who you really are. You are no longer attached to collapsing the waveform as an observer. You are dancing and accepting all versions of you and letting it see how it unfolds like a flower, letting it see how it opens up like a book. And that to me is the most beautiful way of self expression. And it is also the most beautiful way to evolve because you are no longer listening to yourself talk while you're listening to other people talk. It's more like you're truly there in every which way to dance with life, with people, with experience, with boundary, with rejection, with redirection, with all of it. And you can cry really deep, you can laugh really deep, you can hurt really deep. All of that is actually good. And I have gone through truly deep experiences all my life, but especially this year, I have had many things happen that I would not have really planned for it. However, in the end, I realized that what I learned was so valuable and so crucial for my growth, right? And that is what I'm saying is let's give ourselves the permission to accept ourselves as we are, because you are enough, I'm enough, and we are enough. And let's have fun in this life while we collapse our waveform and find our way home. Enjoy the dance and accept yourself and accept all versions of you so you can have an enriching experience. Have a wonderful day. Bye.